Welcome to the spoken tutorial on reasons for increase in junk food consumption. In this tutorial, we will learn about factors increasing the consumption of junk food, ways to avoid junk food from our diet. Junk food contains a high amount of sugar, salt, refined fat and refined flour. Harmful effects of junk food has been discussed in another tutorial. Please visit our website for more details. Let us understand the factors that increase the consumption of junk food. Junk food has become easily available these days. You can find it in shops, school canteens, roadside vendors and restaurants. Let us look at another reason for the increased consumption of junk food. Mothers may be busy with job and household work. They may not get time to prepare a proper homemade meal for their kids. Instead, they may give them money to buy food from outside. Kids may choose to buy chocolates, ice creams or chips with that money. Moreover, junk food is often cheaper as compared to healthy meals. For example, a plate of chapatis, lentils and vegetables will cost slightly more. Therefore, people may choose something cheap such as samosa, chips, biscuits. Sometimes parents ignore the child's likes and dislikes. Children often get bored with traditional homemade meals. Due to a lack of variety in homemade meals, they may want to eat junk food. They may find these food tastier. On eating junk food high in sugar, the brain releases chemicals like dopamine. It is released in large amounts which gives us a feeling of joy and comfort. That is why we get addicted to junk food and crave to eat more and more. We seek comfort by overeating junk food. This is common during periods of stress, depression, loneliness and anxiety. Another reason that attracts us to junk food are its advertisements. These advertisements are often attractive and misleading. Children and adolescents get easily influenced by them. Friends also affect our food choices. For example, a student carries chapati and vegetables to school. If her friends bring junk food, then she will also want to bring those items. This shows that our eating habits get affected by what people around us eat. Moving ahead, let us look at some ways to avoid junk food. Parents should understand that children learn and follow what they see. If they see parents eating healthy, they will also be motivated to eat right. Therefore, parents should be a good role model for them. Please remember to never use junk food as a reward. Parents often give junk food as rewards to children in some situations. For example, to complete their schoolwork or to score well in exams. This gives the children a message that it is okay to eat these food. As they grow older, this can develop into a habit. Hence, never offer junk food as a reward to children. Care should be taken to avoid eating food while watching TV or using phones. Eating while watching TV distracts our mind. Therefore, we don't feel satisfied and tend to overeat. Another thing which the mothers should consider is to bring variety in meals. The child's regular meal can be made exciting. Make it more colorful and nutrient-dense. Use a combination of ingredients from different food groups. Let me give you an example. Plain rice can be modified by adding lentils, vegetables, or eggs. This way, the child will look forward to having homemade meals. Before planning meals, consider the child's likes and dislikes. If they do not like a specific ingredient, disguise it in other dishes. For example, some children are fussy about eating vegetables. You can disguise vegetables in the form of vegetable paratha, chila or cutlets. Vegetables can be chopped or pureed and served in the form of soup. Try to replace junk food with healthy food. For example, vada, samosa or a pack of biscuits costs 5 to 10 rupees. For the same amount of money, you can buy 2 eggs or a glass of milk. Do not add taste-enhancing powders available in the market in children's milk. Instead, you can add turmeric powder or nuts and seeds powder. You can also have chutney made of nuts and seeds instead of ketchup and sauces. Roasted peanuts or Bengal gram can be eaten instead of chips and fried chivda. You can also have boiled green gram, Bengal gram, corn, etc. Avoid fried puris made of refined flour. Instead, have chapatis or parathas made of whole grains, sorghum or pearl millet. Replace bad fats like refined vegetable oils with good fats. Examples of good fat are coconut oil, pure ghee and butter. Nuts, seeds, eggs and fish also have good fats in them. Avoid drinking cold drinks and juices. Instead, you can drink water, lime water, coconut water, buttermilk or milk. Encourage children to eat whole seasonal fruits instead of fruit juices. Fruit juices and sugary drinks should not be given to children below 2 years. In a day, the consumption of tea and coffee should be restricted. Half a cup or 100 ml can be given to 5 to 9-year-old children. For adolescents, 1 cup or 200 ml can be given. Whereas tea and coffee should be avoided by children up to 5 years. Children and adolescents should completely avoid energy and carbonated drinks. The intake of junk food should be restricted to 1 serving per week. A homemade meal with the right ingredients is healthier than outside junk food. Always remember that it takes time to develop habits. Therefore, children must be taught to choose healthy food from a young age. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. Thank you for joining.